this installation, you'll need a trim puller tool. Begin by opening the hood. We have to remove the plastic cover. There are 5 clips to pull out to remove it. Pop out the middle ring, then pull the clips out. Remove the plastic cover to access the bulbs. Turn the socket counterclockwise to remove it. Pull out the incandescent bulb, replace it with the LED, and test it. Line up the notches on the socket with the slots in the housing. Insert the socket and turn it clockwise to lock it. The tab on the socket will be at the 3 o'clock position when installed. Now repeat those steps on the other side. Turn the socket counterclockwise to remove it. Pull out the incandescent bulb, replace it with the LED, and test it. Insert the socket and turn it clockwise to lock it. Replace the plastic cover and line up the clip holes. Replace the 5 clips. And push them in to lock them. The new 6000K white LED bulbs are a huge upgrade from the incandescent bulbs.